It's pretty. It's raining now. The weather. It's pretty. And kain ako ng breakfast kaya lang wala akong eggs. So may two. Nakuha tayo ng egg. Doon. Diyan sa fresh organic egg. There's... Hello mga baby chicken. Kamusta? Please give me some egg this morning, okay? Salamat po kasi naubos na yung aking egg. Ate, thank you. So let's see kung meron siya ngayong egg dito. Yeah, mag-harvest ako ng egg. So, kung meron siya. Oh, meron. Let's see. Salamat po, chicken. Yeah. This still warm. Still warm. Alright, chicken, thank you. I'll see you next time, okay? Make some more eggs and provide some more blessing for us. We thank you so much. We are truly grateful and blessed for this day and the day forward. This is my place here. The chicken. Let's go. It's cold. Magluluto na tayo ng fresh egg. Okay.